Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Marcelino Stio with student ID number 2023-30099. I am from the Bachelor of Information System program. Okay, here I will present an explanation of the database practicum assignment NoSQL using in English. Database NoSQL. Adding data to a collection. The document starts by explaining how to add data a collection in a NoSQL database. It provides an example of a code snippet that adds a new document to transaction collection. The code snippet includes the following information. 1. Transaction ID. The unique identifier for the transaction. 2. Customer ID. The unique identifier for the customer. 3. Items. An array of items that were purchased in the transaction. 4. Total. The total amount of the transaction. 5. Payment method. The method of payment used for the transaction. 6. Timestamp. The timestamp of the transaction. And then the document that explain how to use the insert one method, the method to add multiple documents to the collection. Understanding data and creating queries. The document explain how to understand data in NoSQL database and create queries to retrieve it. It explains the following function: find and find. This function is used to search for document in a collection. It takes a query as an argument, which specifies the criteria for the search. 2. Count document. This function is used to count the number of documents in a collection that match a given query. And then the document provides example of how to use this function to search for document with specific value, as well as to count the number of documents that meet certain criteria. And then using logical and array query operators. Document then explain how to use logical and array query operator to create more complex queries. It provides explain of how to count the number of transactions that occurred between two specific dates, and to find and display transaction with a total amount greater than 30 and a payment method of PayPal. And then analyzing data and evaluation query operator. The document then explain how to analyze data in a NoSQL database using evaluation query operator. It provides an example of how to 1. Calculate the average total amount of all transactions. 2. Find and display transactions with a total amount greater than the average. And then modifying and updating data. The document then explains how to modify and update data in NoSQL database. It provides example of how to 1. Update the status of all transactions to pending. 2. Update the status of specific transaction to complete. And 3. Apply a 10% discount to all transactions. And then last, mini case study. The document concludes with a mini case that demonstrates how to use NoSQL database to solve real-world problems. The case studies show how to A. Find all transactions that occurred between two specific dates. And 2. Delete all transactions with a total amount greater than 50. Conclusion. This document provides a compressed overview of database NoSQL database. It covers the basics of working with NoSQL database, as well as more advanced concepts such as logical and array the operator. And then, thank you. Goodbye.